The kit comes with a direct drive wheelbase that produces a peak torque of 3.9 Nm, along with the new Xbox ES steering wheel and the SRP Lite pedals. It's compatible on PC, and for console it's officially licensed and compatible with Xbox when using the new ES Xbox steering wheel. The ES Xbox steering wheel also works with any MOZA wheelbase. The kit includes everything to get started. In the box we have the quick start guide, a sticker sheet, the ES steering wheel, the R3 direct drive wheelbase, the SRP Lite pedals, the table clamp, the power supply, there's the USB cable and a breakaway cable, an RJ45 cable for the pedals, and all the hardware and tools for mounting. The R3's direct drive wheelbase's compact main aluminium body features a distinctive X-shaped design. This design also acts as a heatsink, which enhances the cooling, all with a high quality fit and finish as found on all MOZA wheelbases. Taking a closer look at the R3 wheelbase, the wheel shaft has an integrated quick release mount, which allows for a solid and secure connection to the steering wheel. At the top of the wheelbase we can find two handy mounting points for an optional display. Moving to the back we have the USB, power connections and the power switch. The R3 also features an expanded range of connection ports for the pedals, dash, shifter, handbrake and emergency stop. It's great being able to plug in all the accessories without using up additional USB hubs or ports, which is especially important on console. There's also a breakaway cable that connects to the USB cable, and this will prevent damage to the Xbox console if someone accidentally trips over it. Located at the bottom of the base, there's 4 M6 mounting holes. The R3 can be installed and bolted onto a sim rig, or attached to the included 15-degree angle table clamp kit. The compact size of the R3 is well suited to be installed and clamped onto a desk. The lightweight ES steering wheel is built around an aluminium front plate, and it has ISF polyurethane grips, and these are comfortably shaped with a firm feel. At the back of the wheel we have 2 aluminium shift paddles for crisp and precise gear shifts, and the solid metal quick release for providing a secure connection to the wheelbase and for quickly switching out wheels. There's a total of 22 fully customizable buttons with dedicated X, Y, AB and Xbox buttons, making for quick in-game adjustments and for easy navigation of menus. Keeping in line with the lightweight and responsiveness of the 280mm ES steering wheel, there's the optional Formula Wheel mod. Being lightweight makes it the perfect addition to the ES steering wheel for Formula or GT racing. To install the Formula mod, we just need to remove the front 6 bolts on the ES wheel. With the bolts removed, the original wheel is lifted off and replaced with the Formula mod. The 6 bolts are reinstalled and it's good to go. Now if you did want to add a round wheel, MOZA offers a 12-inch round wheel mod, and this simply bolts onto the ES hub with 6 bolts just like the Formula mod. There's also paddle extenders that attach to the original paddles if you need extra reach for shifting. With these 2 mods, you can transform your ES wheel into a round wheel for rallying and drifting, or to a 280mm Formula wheel for F1 racing. That means we can have 3 options to choose from: an 11-inch D-shaped wheel, a 12-inch round wheel, and a 280mm Formula wheel. The included SRP Lite pedals come with an accelerator and brake pedal pre-installed. The pedals are made of a high-strength steel, and these have a solid and durable feel. Both pedals use high-precision Hall sensors for maximum stability, durability and consistency. MOZA also offers an optional brake performance kit to install to the brake pedal to improve the modulation and braking performance. The heel plate has multiple holes for adjusting the pedal spacing, allowing pedals to be moved left or right. There's also space on the heel plate to install the optional clutch pedal. The metal pedal plates can be easily removed and height adjusted to dial in the perfect setup. The Pit House software is used to adjust and control the wheel settings, such as the basic force feedback strength and rotation angle, or to adjust more advanced settings. There's a selection of pre-configured preset modes for quickly setting up the wheelbase to suit the driving style. The default settings work well, and these can be further customized to your preference and then saved. The software interface is user-friendly and very easy to navigate. Settings can also be controlled by using the mobile phone app. The RGB rev shift lights on the steering wheel can also be adjusted within the software. Switching in between modes is completed by pressing and holding the S1 and S2 buttons on the steering wheel for 3 seconds. The RPM light will change, and when it's in breathing mode, it indicates the steering wheel is in Xbox mode. When the RPM light is flashing, it indicates the steering wheel is in PC mode. For an entry-level direct drive kit and using the included wheel, the R3 driving experience feels quite good. Steering control is smooth, detailed and accurate, and it feels better than similarly powered belt or gear-driven wheelbases. With 3.9 Nm, it's best to use the included lightweight Xbox ES steering wheel